In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall NordVPN from Windows. If you're looking to remove NordVPN from your computer, this walkthrough will guide you through the process clearly and safely. We'll go step by step using the built-in Windows settings, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way so you don't run into common hiccups. First, make sure the NordVPN app is completely closed, not just minimized. Look at your taskbar and check the system tray near the clock. If you see the NordVPN icon there, right-click it and choose to quit or exit. If the app is currently connected, you may see a quick confirmation to disconnect before it closes. The goal is to ensure it's not running in the background because the uninstaller won't proceed if the app is still active. If during the uninstall you get a message that NordVPN is open, come back to this step and close it from the tray before trying again. Next, open Windows settings. Click the Start button and select Settings, which is the gear icon. This takes you to the main settings area for your device and is where you'll manage installed apps. Once Settings is open, click on Apps, then choose Apps and Features. Depending on your version of Windows, you might see Installed Apps instead of Apps and Features. They mean the same thing here. It's the list of programs currently installed on your machine. In the Apps list, scroll to find NordVPN. If you have a long list, use the search field at the top to type NordVPN so it pops right up. When you see it, click the entry. On some versions, you'll click the three dots next to the app name. Select Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm, so click Uninstall again to proceed. Follow any on-screen prompts from Windows or the NordVPN uninstaller. You may be asked to allow changes, confirm to continue. You'll usually see a short progress indicator, and then the process completes. If you're told the app is still running, cancel the uninstall, close the app fully as we covered earlier, and start the uninstall again from the same place. When the uninstall finishes, NordVPN should no longer appear in your apps list. That's all there is to it. To recap, we closed NordVPN completely, opened settings from the Start menu, navigated to Apps and then Apps and Features or Installed Apps, and selected NordVPN to uninstall, following the prompts to confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you remove NordVPN cleanly and confidently.